Hey, good morning, everybody. This is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. Let's break down what's going on this morning. A little bit of good news and bad news, depending on where you are as this winter weather system kind of unfolds. What we expected was very light stuff. It's been even lighter and in some cases almost non-existent to mist. But here's the one bad news part. It is a lot colder in many locations, and it's not going to warm up much today. You can see temperatures, especially around Charlotte North, in the upper 20s. You go north, it's in the low 20s and teens. You look at the dew points are still in the teens as well. The reason that's important is anything that falls today is going to continually cool the atmosphere near the ground. Now, what we're seeing right now as far as precipitation, not a lot falling across the Charlotte area, but there's freezing drizzle being reported out towards Richmond County, and there's freezing drizzle down in Chesterfield County up to Raleigh. This has mainly been snow in the mountains and foothills, and as we go into this afternoon, I actually expect that the moisture is going to increase from the south. Don't expect heavy stuff, but we could see little bands of freezing drizzle and rain going into the afternoon. So let me show you real quickly what the models are going to look like. And this is really deceiving because the areas this morning that have seen just a little bit of freezing drizzle and mist, trust me, have seen it ice up real quickly. So here's the short range, high resolution, rapid refresh model we call it, or the HRRR. And you can see it does show some drizzle and mist developing, especially closer to about 10 or 11 this morning. Again, look, it's very scattered. It's nothing heavy, but any one of these little patches of rain, it's going to ice over instantly. I saw a lot of people, especially in Gaston County and down in Union County, little areas that saw just a little bit of drizzle this morning, ice up almost immediately. So this is by 1 o'clock. We've got a blob of moisture. Let's hope by then we're above freezing. I think it's probably going to take maybe till 2 or 3. That's the one thing I think that's a little bit of a change from last night, is it might take a little bit longer for us to get above freezing. You can see as we go into the afternoon hours, we're getting towards 4 or 5 o'clock. We're going to see this eventually change to rain, but notice how this stays ice mainly from Hickory to Statesville. We'll go into the evening hours. This is 7 p.m. The heavier rain is back to the west, and this better not get here any quicker because temperatures are going to still be below freezing. You can see here we are at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. This is when the icing could actually get worse. So if there's one bad thing that's going on, we're not warming up as quickly. And if we don't get above freezing before this big blob of moisture gets here later tonight, these areas north of Charlotte, mainly, not in Charlotte, but north of Charlotte, could see some significant icing. So that's kind of the latest on what's going on. Let me show you the radar one more time. We'll put the temperatures on there. We're only 28 degrees. We're just seeing a little bit of freezing drizzle and mist now, but I'm watching this stuff to the south as it moves to the north. We'll keep things up to date throughout the morning. Stay safe out there. Don't let the conditions be deceiving. It may look dry, but if you see something that looks wet or maybe looks like black ice, slow it down because everything is icing up immediately. Even the lightest of sprinkles out there could cause some icing.